Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to open a Pbix file in Power BI. This is a fundamental task that you'll use every time you want to access and work with your Power BI reports and dashboards. So let's walk through the simple process together. First, you'll need to launch your Power BI desktop application on your computer. This is the main workspace where you'll be viewing and editing all your data visualizations and reports. Once the application loads up, you'll see the main interface with various options and menus displayed across the screen. Now, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the main menu bar. Click on File, which is typically located in the upper left corner. This will open a drop-down menu with several options for managing your files and reports within Power BI. From this drop-down menu, click on Open. This action will present you with multiple ways to access your Pbix files, giving you flexibility in how you locate and open your reports. You'll see several options appear on your screen, each designed to help you find your files in different locations. At this point, you'll notice several choices available to you. You can choose OneDrive if your file is stored in your cloud storage, SharePoint if it's located on your organization's shared network, or browse this device if the file is saved locally on your computer. Additionally, you'll see a Recent Files section, which is particularly handy for quickly accessing files you've worked on recently without having to navigate through folders. For this example, let's click on a Pbix file from the Recent Files section. This is often the quickest way to open files you've been working with, as Power BI keeps track of your most recently accessed reports. Simply locate the file you want to open in this list and click on it. Once you've selected your file, you'll need to give Power BI a moment to load it. Depending on the size and complexity of your report, this might take a few seconds or a bit longer. You'll see Power BI processing your file, loading all the data visualizations, reports, and dashboards that are contained within. Just be patient while the application retrieves all the information and displays it on your screen. And that's it. Your Pbix file is now open and ready for you to view or edit. You can now interact with your data, make changes to your visualizations, or simply review the insights contained in your report. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.